Hi everyone, my name is Sash and I'm the Solutions Delivery Specialist here at DealRoom. In this training video, I'll walk you through the platform's main components so you can easily navigate and manage your deal from start to finish. Start by jumping into the platform. Together, we'll walk through the platform from top to bottom. Start up here on the top left with our organizational name. This is the organization that owns your room. If you belong to multiple organizations, you can use the drop down to switch between them. Right underneath that, we have the My Work tab. Once your deals are underway, the My Work tab becomes your personal dashboard for tracking priorities. Inside of the My Work tab, you'll find the requests that you need to do, the ones you need to review, the ones you're following, and even ones that you've already finished. Each of these requests have titles, priorities, statuses, where they are, and due dates, so you can keep track of everything you're doing on a day-to-day basis. Next, let's move on to notifications. Here you'll see updates across groups and rooms that you have access to. For non-admins, this view may differ based on permissions. You can also send announcements straight from here. Just click on this create announcement, select a room, any specific recipients, and then type your message in here. Boom, send that off. Now let's move over to the section where you can find your rooms. On the bottom left, you'll see all of the rooms that you have access to. To start, you'll begin with a blank room, and each room is made up of several key sections. The first are requests. Requests is your to-do list. Tasks are organized by work lists, usually due diligence and integration, or however you do it natively. We can also track assignees, reviewers, and followers here. Next, we have findings. Findings is DealRoom's version of a RAID log. This is where you can capture risks, issues, or anything else that's uncovered during due diligence or integration, and you can link them to requests for visibility and accountability. Next, we have our data room. Our data room is a secure repository for all our deal-related documents, and we suggest streamlining your request and work list structure to streamline navigation and help data flow. Next, we have permissions. Permissions is where you can control who sees and does what. You can manage user roles, document access, and room level visibility. An administrator has access to anything and everything in the room. You can also create permission groups with this plus right here, and then edit their permissions across requests, findings, data room, and if they're able to view other groups. As you can see, the current room is blank, so let's talk a little bit about building out your environment. If you'd like to leverage one of DealRoom's templates, you can reach out to your account manager or connect with our support team for guidance. Otherwise, you can import a request list by selecting these three dots and importing. We suggest you download our template first to ensure a smooth import. If you also want to import a folder structure along with your request list, you can do that in settings, come on the left side down to room import and export, and upload that template here. Again, we suggest downloading our blank template to help smooth that process. That's the DealRoom setup for a single room. Thanks for watching.